Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to change PDF to Google Docs. The first thing you need to do is open a new tab and you're going to go onto Google Drive. As you're going to be uploading the PDF on Google Drive, as you can't upload it directly onto Google Docs. So you're going to go onto Google Drive and you're going to tap on New in the top left hand corner. From here, you're going to tap on File Upload. After selecting File Upload, you're going to select the PDF, then tap on Open. After doing that, the PDF will be added to your Google Docs. So you can see the PDF has been added right here. Now, after it has been added, what I want you to do next, you're going to tap on the three dots in line with the PDF name, or you can see the option to open with Google Docs right here. You could just simply tap on that. Now that you have tapped on Open with Google Docs, the PDF, as you can see here, has been converted or changed into Google Docs. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.